Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make gluten-free coconut flour garlic naan. And for the ingredients, you're going to need some coconut flour, whole Psyllium Husk Powder, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, some coconut oil, baking powder, Himalayan salt, and some minced garlic. First things first, I'm going to add 1 cup of coconut flour. And then I'm just going to add that. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of the husk powder. So now I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of baking powder. I only have a 1/8 teaspoon measuring thing, so I'm going to put 4 of these in there. And then a half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. I like a little extra salt. Now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Trying to get the exact amount there. There we are. Does it taste like nothing?
Almost nothing.
I don't really like the taste of coconut oil. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Up next, you're going to need about 2 cups of hot water, and I'm going to add that to my mix. And as you combine it, if you find that the mix is too watery, just add a bit more of the husk powder. Next, I'm going to start kneading the mixture into a ball. And then what we're going to want to do next is let this sit out for about 15 minutes. So now that the 15 minutes are up, I'm going to start making the naan. We're going to roll this up into small balls and then form it into a naan shape. So after the 15 minutes, the texture should be kind of gummy and doughy. So I think that means it's ready to go. And I'm just going to break off a section. Roll it into a ball. That. And then I'm going to form it into the shape of a piece of naan. It's a little separating a little bit. I decided to roll it out on some parchment paper because it is 10 times easier. And I don't have a rolling pin, so I'm using a cup instead. Alright, now I'm going to add this to a pan on medium heat, and it's going to take about a couple minutes to cook on both sides.